Hi, Charmaine Campo here, owner and founder of Do Good Communications LLC and creator of the Digital Marketing Roadmap for Educators. Welcome and congratulations on taking the first step to create a digital marketing plan that will help you make a difference in the lives of even more students. Today I want to go over how you can use this tool to create your digital marketing plan. Step 1, determine the audience you're trying to reach. And I've listed some common audience groups for tutors and other educators across the top here. Step 2, determine how aware the members of your audience group are of your school, your learning center, and/or the programs you want to market. Step 3, choose the digital marketing activities you'll roll out. For example, say we want to reach parents of K through 6 students who are unaware of our after-school math program. So our goal is to grow the number of parents who are aware of the math program. Our strategy is going to be to tell them who we are and what we offer across all of our digital properties. And we'll measure success by monitoring the number of new followers or subscribers to our social media platforms and/or our email list. What are the digital marketing tactics we'll use to reach them? Well, we'll have a mobile landing page that tells them what we have to offer and lets them sign up or subscribe if they're interested in the program. We'll have daily social media posts on Facebook and Instagram that tells these parents what we have to offer and directs them to the landing page. And we'll do a paid ad campaign to support our organic content efforts, which will be those daily social media posts, and also help drive traffic to our landing page. I hope you have a better idea of how you can use the digital marketing roadmap to make a difference for your students this year. If you still need help, you can book a complimentary strategy session with me at www.dogoodcoms.com/book. I'll drop the link right below this video for you.